Imagine opening an app and it launches instantly, or switching between heavy games and editing software without the slightest pause. That's the kind of speed Samsung could be aiming for with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it might be thanks to more than just a faster processor. While most eyes will naturally be on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, which is already tipped to deliver a jump in performance over the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Elite, the real game changer might actually be in the RAM department. According to popular tipster at Universe Ice, Samsung is set to equip the S26 Ultra with LPDDR5X RAM running at a blazing 10.7 gigabits per second, compared to the 8.5 gigabits per second speed on the S25 Ultra's RAM. That's roughly 25% faster, and in practice, it could make everything from app launches to camera performance and high-end gaming much smoother. Samsung announced this upgraded LPDDR5X memory back in April 2024, and if the leaks are correct, the company is now ready to put it into action for its most premium non-foldable flagship. No other smartphone manufacturer currently offers RAM this fast. Even Micron and SK Hynix's LPDDR5T, which might sound quicker from its name, actually tops out at 9.6 gigabits per second, still behind Samsung's latest chip. This means the Galaxy S26 Ultra could very well claim the crown for the fastest RAM in the smartphone market when it launches. The benefits go beyond simple benchmarks. Faster RAM can help the processor, in this case, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, access data more quickly, which directly impacts how fluid the phone feels in day-to-day use. Picture this. Loading a heavy mobile game could take a couple of seconds less. Switching between multiple active apps might feel instantaneous, and high-resolution photos or 4,000 videos could process faster in the gallery. Even something as basic as scrolling through a busy social media feed could feel smoother thanks to the speed boost. For gamers, the advantages are even clearer: more consistent frame rates, reduced stuttering, and quicker load-ins during matches. For content creators and power users, this kind of RAM upgrade could shave valuable seconds off editing workflows, especially when working with large image files or videos. While most people tend to focus on the processor when thinking about performance, the truth is that RAM speed plays an equally important role in keeping everything running seamlessly. The S26 Ultra's jump to 10.7 gigabit per second LPDDR5X memory could be one of those invisible upgrades that you feel every time you use the phone, even if you don't think about it. Of course, Samsung is known for combining performance gains with premium design, so it will be interesting to see whether the S26 Ultra also brings visual changes or if it sticks close to the S25 Ultra's look. Regardless of design tweaks, the performance story here is shaping up to be a major selling point, especially since Samsung makes its own RAM chips and has a history of pushing the boundaries in memory technology. If all this proves true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could offer a level of speed that sets it apart from rivals, not just in synthetic speed tests, but in the way it handles everything you throw at it. And when you combine that with a next-gen Snapdragon chip, you're looking at a phone that could be one of the smoothest and most responsive devices on the market. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just someone who hates waiting for things to load, this kind of RAM upgrade could make a noticeable difference in your daily experience. So, would faster RAM be enough to make you consider upgrading to the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Share your thoughts below, and if you want to stay updated on more leaks and official announcements, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest tech news.